Welcome to the Cinque Terre, a coastal gem located in the beautiful Italian region of Liguria. It is a coastal stretch that consists of 5 picturesque villages, connected by hiking trails: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore. These villages, declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are built on rocky slopes overlooking the Ligurian Sea and are surrounded by agricultural terraces. Let's start with Monterosso al Mare, the largest of the Cinque Terre villages. This village boasts beautiful sandy beaches, stones, or cliffs, perfect for relaxing under the sun and taking a dip in the waters of the Ligurian Sea. The waterfront promenade, with its palm trees and colorful umbrellas, invites you to enjoy a charming seaside atmosphere. The historic center is worth exploring, characterized by characteristic narrow streets, artisan shops, and restaurants offering local delicacies. The Church of San Giovanni Battista, with its majestic Gothic facade and artistic treasures inside, is definitely worth a visit. From Monterosso al Mare, you can travel to the other 4 villages either by train or by embarking on a hiking adventure along the Sentiero Azzurro, which connects the 5 villages with a 12-kilometer walking trail, for a fee, but offers incredible views. The next village is Vernazza, an authentic fishing village that seems to come out of a postcard. The view of the picturesque harbor, with its colorful boats swaying on the sea, fills you with wonder. The medieval towers towering towards the sky add a touch of mystery and history to the landscape. Walking through the stone alleys, you can breathe the authentic atmosphere of this village. The Church of Santa Margherita di Antioquia, dating back to the 13th century and overlooking the harbor, is definitely worth a visit. Furthermore, climbing towards the top of the hill, you are rewarded with a wonderful panoramic view that embraces the Bay of Vernazza and beyond. Corniglia, the 3rd village, is a jewel nestled on a hill above the sea. This quiet and authentic village offers spectacular views of the coast and terraced vineyards. To reach the historic center of Corniglia, you have to tackle a scenic staircase or take a convenient shuttle. Once you arrive, you are rewarded with a charming atmosphere and a unique ancient beauty. Here, the typical narrow streets, squares overlooking the sea, and the characteristic tower must be explored, from which you can admire a panoramic view of the coast and the surrounding countryside. Now let's move on to Manarola, one of the most iconic and photographed villages of the Cinque Terre. Here, the colorful houses clinging to the cliffs create a dreamy view, and the winding alleyways that meander between the houses lead to breathtaking viewpoints. Explore the narrow and winding streets, discover the vibrant murals that decorate the walls, and visit the Church of San Lorenzo, dating back to the 14th century, which overlooks the sea. From Manarola, you can also enjoy spectacular views along the coast from various viewpoints, including La Marina di Manarola, L'Arpaio, La Piazza della Chiesa, Il Vecchio Segnale della Marina Militare, Piazza de André, and Il Viale. Finally, we arrive at Riomaggiore, the easternmost village in the region. You immediately come across the colorful houses overlooking the harbor, the vibrant colors that animate the streets, and the lively waterfront. A walk along the main street, full of characteristic shops and restaurants offering local delights, is a must-do. The Church of San Giovanni Battista, with its elegant white marble facade and fascinating interiors, is worth a visit as well. Don't forget to explore the narrow alleys and secret passages that lead to hidden viewpoints, where you can enjoy impressive views of the sea and the surroundings. Each village of the Cinque Terre offers a unique combination of attractions, including architecture, historic churches, beaches, and exciting panoramas. While exploring these wonders, it is essential to immerse yourself in the local culture and be enchanted by the timeless beauty of this region. The Cinque Terre is not only a fascinating destination for the beauty of its villages and landscapes, but also offers a rich culinary and wine tradition. The region is famous for its terraced vineyards and the fine wines they produce. Among the most important are the white wine of the Cinque Terre, Vermentino, Pigato, and Choc Catra. Finally, here are some tips to make the most of your visit to this destination. Spring, April-June, and autumn, September-October, are the best times to visit the Cinque Terre, as the weather is mild and there are fewer tourists compared to summer. The villages of the Cinque Terre are connected by hiking trails that offer incredible views. Consider the option of moving between villages on foot to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of the region. Wear comfortable clothes and hiking or athletic shoes, especially if you plan to explore the hiking trails. If you are unable to walk, regional trains easily connect the villages, offering a convenient, affordable, and fast way to move between them. Purchase the Cinque Terre card, which will give you unlimited access to local trains and hiking trails. The Cinque Terre, a true coastal paradise, awaits you with its magic. For now, our journey ends here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to us.